Ugh, again, no. I don't think any amount of concealer in the world can hide these bad boys, but let's try. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are continuing the video series of Zodiac Makeup, and for this week we are doing Virgo, as you can see in the title. And for this one I'm skipping the outfit and the hair because it's a really cute like pink top, which I don't have. I don't have anything pink. Well, maybe some nail polish and stuff, but no clothes. And the hair, I tried, I really did. It's like this really cute loose braid in the back, but it doesn't look cute on me. I tried and it's a mess, so we're skipping that. But for the makeups and the lipstick, we have black lipstick, which I'm really excited for. And we have this like smoky eye, like kind of brownish, reddish, which I really like. It's gonna be really difficult, I think. But yeah, let's see what happens. And I will stop ranting now and let's get right into it. So for foundation we are using the L'Oreal Perfect Match 2N and 3N combination. It's this one. And yeah, if you're new around here, if you haven't seen my channel yet, I'm not using primer because I'm not going anywhere while we are still under this lockdown quarantine thing. Well, here not anymore, but I'd rather not go anywhere if I don't have to. And so I don't need my makeup to stay or anything like that. I just did the skincare routine and yeah, vitamin C serum, toner and moisturizing cream, washed my face, all the good stuff. I'll make a video on it, I promise. I promised a good friend that I would. Maybe I'll get to it next week. And yeah, I'm combining these two foundations and let's get at it. Concealer, we are doing, again, the True Match is the same brand from L'Oreal in a shade 2N. And yeah, I don't even know if concealer can help me after the night I've had. I slept really bad and then in the morning I poured boiling coffee all over me. So that happened, and I don't think any amount of concealer in the world can hide these bad boys, but let's try. Ugh, again, no. No amount of concealer in the world can hide this. So I'm gonna set everything with powder. So now that we've done concealer, let's move on directly to the eyeshadow. I will apply some concealer first. And well, actually I will have to apply it many times. It's a smoky eye. It's really pretty. Don't know how I'm gonna do that there, but let's try. I'm gonna start with the crease. I'm gonna have to use browns. These three, I've used them before, and this one over here. Have to go like from light to dark, and then here it's quite bright and then it's dark again. It's similar to last week, but in different colors. So maybe I managed better to do this week, I think. We're interrupting the normal schedule for that. They're so cute, I love them. So I've been going ahead with this brown red from the Professional Makeup palette, Value Markers, and now I'm going ahead with the darker brown, the one right next to it. And seeing as that one is not dark enough, we're going for the really dark one over here. This one always works. Now I'm gonna blend it with a fluffy brush. Now we're going with concealer over the eyelid, and we're doing darker here and then brighter over here. I'm gonna use for this these three, black, brown, and this copper. It's basically the same colors, but I need it to be black at the ends. So yeah, I have to use a little bit of black. I'm gonna take this Smile palette and I'm gonna go ahead with this white pinkish for the inner corner of the eye. And then I have to correct the upper part and add more dark because it's gonna have to look quite defined once the cut thing is there. I went ahead and added some white in there just because it needs to have a contrast. And now I think I'm going ahead with the eyeliner. This is not finished, but I want to do the eyeliner first and then the line with the concealer. We're doing this liquid one. And now I need to blend this somehow and add some more black. I'm gonna go ahead with a black eyeliner. I know it looks dark and messy right now, but we're fixing it. Ignore the part right above the eyelashes over there. There will be magnetic eyeliner for the lashes there, and it won't look so bad. And under eye, I see she has some brown. I'm gonna go ahead with the mid brown over here. And now we're doing the above the eyeliner part like last week with concealer and a small brush. This brush sucks. Let's try some shimmery. It's supposed to be a shimmery color. I don't have, so I'm just going with what I have. I'm going with this pink over here, or perhaps with the next one over there. Whatever shines more, that's gonna be it. Yeah, that one seems to shine just fine. Just need to clear it off the dark parts that are supposed to stay dark. And she has some stones in here. I don't have any stones. I have some stones, but they are for a different video and they are big. They are for the face, they're not for the eyelid. So we're gonna have to go without the stones. We could go like the same thing, do here and pass the line with the shine, but I don't know how that's gonna look. Let's try it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it, but it's not too bad either. Let's do the other eye. This one didn't come out as good, but well. So I think this is the eyeshadow. I don't know how I feel about it. I have mixed feelings. I like the idea. The execution could be better, but yeah, let's do some contouring. I'm using my Manhattan Maxi Matte Bronzing Powder 001 Blonde. So let's do mascara and let it dry, and meanwhile that dries, we're gonna do the lips. I'm excited for that. Lash Sensational from Maybelline. For the lips we're using, well, black eyeliner and this black lipstick from Lancome. It's a very strange shade. So I went ahead of camera and gave myself a whole new set of lips with this liner. I really went overboard and I love it. And I also applied my eyelashes because there's no need to put them on camera. You've seen it before, and if you haven't, you can check one of my previous videos. It's just magnetic eyeliner and attach the lashes and they stay. And I believe this would be the completed look unless I missed some. Oh yeah, of course I did, like last time, highlighter. Jesus. How did I forget it? I don't know. I love highlighter. And now we have the completed look. And so yeah, if you're new and you haven't seen why I'm not using a setting spray, I do have it and I usually do use it. It's just that thanks to the quarantine stuff, I'm not going anywhere and I don't want it to stay fixed. I don't want it to stay long. I'm just gonna be wearing it at home, so I need it to come off as soon as possible. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry that the hair didn't work out and the outfit. I just don't own pink and I probably never will unless, I don't know, some miracle happens. But yeah, I actually think black fits better with this lipstick. It gives it again another gothic vibe kind of thing, which I love. The Taurus one was the same. well, similar in some ways. And yeah, please let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Would you try it? Is this your zodiac sign? And leave a like if you haven't already, and please subscribe for more. I try to post, well, I do post every Saturday between 6 and 8 p.m. Central European Time. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!